It was really surprising to scientists when they found out the Venus was so hot because the clouds around Venus reflect almost all the light from the sun back to the space. The small amount of sunlight that able to filter through the cloud doesn't seem like anywhere near enough like to make the temperature of Venus so high. Instead, because it's all solid surface of the Venus, the temperature should be rather cool. You might think that the temperature of Venus is so hot because Venus is so close to the sun. But this isn't really a good explanation for the heat on Venus. The temperature of Venus is even hotter than the temperature of Mercury, which is closer to the Venus to the sun. The proximity of Venus doesn't explain the high temperature of Venus. Scientists are still not certain why the temperature of Venus is so high. But one possible explanation is Venus' carbon dioxide atmosphere. The very dense atmosphere on Venus is almost entirely carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide may create a barrier that traps any heat that gets through beneath it and doesn't let it escape. It was really surprising to see. Next in line, please. Yes. How can I help you?
I have a question
about my grade record. Your grade record for which quarter? For last quarter.
Grade reports
for last quarter were mailed out a week ago. You should have received yours by now. I received a grade report for last quarter. I just received it in the mail.
What's the problem?
Then what's the
I
problem?
received the grade report in the mail, but the grades on it are wrong.
Oh,
we don't handle that here. Here we only record the grades that the professors submit. If you have any questions about the grades you received, you should talk with your professors. That's not something we deal with here.
No, that's not what I mean.
That's not what I mean.
The problem is not that I received grades in the courses I took, and the grades were lower than I expected. The problem is different from that. The problem is that I received grades in courses I didn't take, and didn't receive grades in courses I did take.
And the grade report had your name on it?
Your name on it?
You're saying that you received the grade report with your name on it, but that the courses listed on the grade report were courses you didn't take? That's really odd.
That's really odd.
Look, here's my grade
report.
That's my name at the top, Anthony Taylor, and that's my address, 320 Fourth Avenue, Apartment B. But those aren't the courses I took.
That's your name and address on the grade report, but you didn't take the courses listed there?
No,
this grade report was the biology course, and I didn't take biology, and it was calculus, and I most certainly did not take calculus. It also lists courses in English and track that I didn't take.
What courses did you
What
take?
courses did you
I took
take?
courses in history, drama, philosophy, and composition. None of those are listed
No,
there.
those are listed
Well,
here.
this certainly
No,
isn't
this
the correct
certainly
grade report
isn't
for
the
you.
correct grade for you.
Wait a minute.
Wait a minute.
Let me look up
Let me
something in
look
my
at
files
something
on
in
the
my files
computer.
on the computer.
Okay.
Okay,
You said your name was Anthony
was
Taylor?
Anthony
Yes.
Taylor.
But what's
Yes,
your
but
middle initial?
what's your middle
B.
initial?
I'm Anthony B. Taylor.
Anthony B. Taylor.
And you took
And
courses
you
in
took
history,
history,
drama,
drama,
philosophy, and
and
composition.
composition.
Okay.
Okay, I think I know what the problem
We have
is. We have two
students
students here
Anthony
named
Taylor.
Anthony
Really?
Taylor.
There's another
There's
Anthony
another
Taylor?
Anthony
Yes,
Taylor.
but you're
Yes, but
Anthony
you're
B.
Anthony
Taylor,
B.
and the
Taylor,
other is
and the
Anthony
other is
M.
Anthony
Taylor.
B.
The
M. Taylor.
courses listed for
The courses
Anthony M.
listed
Taylor are
for
history,
Anthony
drama,
M. Taylor
philosophy, and composition. These are the courses
These
you
are
took,
the courses
and I
you
think
took.
these must be your
And I
grades.
think these must
So you think the grades for the
so
two
you
Anthony
the two
Taylors are
Anthony
mixed
Taylors
up?
are mixed up.
I got his
They
grade
got
report,
his grade
and he got
report,
mine.
and he got mine.
Not
Not
exactly.
exactly.
I think his
think
grades
his
ended up
grade
on your
up
grade
on your
report,
grade
and your
report,
grades
and your
ended up on
grade ended
his.
up on
I
his.
see. So what happens now?
I see. So what
Let me
happens
check
now?
with
Let
your
me check with
professors
your
and make sure
professor
I
and
have the
make sure
correct
I have the
information in
correct
the right
information in
places.
the right places.
Then I'll send out a
Then
new
I'll send out
corrected
a
grade
new
report to
corrected
you.
grade report
And
to
when
you.
should I have it?
And when should I have it?
Probably won't
You
have it for
probably
2
won't have
weeks,
it
because
for
it
2
may
weeks
take that
because
long
it
to
may
resolve
take
the
that
issue
long
and
to
then mail
resolve
out
the
new
issue
grade
and
reports.
then
That's
mail out
fine,
new
as long
grade
as the
report.
problem gets solved.
That's fine,
It
as
certainly
long
will
as
get
the
solved.
problem gets solved. It certainly will
Next
get
in line,
solved.
please.